Morning guys, welcome back. So guys, just a quick update as to what's going on. Onto the spring tide, and have a look at these waves guys. So the water is not all that great this morning. The sea is in a terrible condition guys. Areas are full up with sand. There's no deep areas that you can fish in. Have a look at that water guys. It's just white. It's going to be another bad morning. So that's it guys. Conditions are not right to fish. Lots and lots of sand in there. We thought those westerlies will blow them out, but nothing's happened. So the best time to fish right now is on the low tide. You can get onto all those flat rocks in front of me and possibly have a throw deeper. And you might just have a bite. But looking further to my right, so those areas are full up with sand too. There's just no areas that the fish can come in. So to the left of me, which is north, this entire surf is full up with sand. So fishing off that shore, on those shores, it's just full up with sand guys. It's flat. There's no deep areas at all. It's approximately 200 meters from the shore, the sand I'm talking about. This area it's around 150 meters, possibly a little more. So it's not all that great this morning. So once again guys, we're down in Isipingo. Thought I'd just bring you a quick update as to what's happening. So there's no signs of the sardines as yet. Keep an eye on that too. So hopefully guys, the sardines come through and we start getting a bit of fish. But this area has been very quiet. Not too sure what's happened here guys. It is very quiet. So there you go guys, quick update as to what's going on. Not ideal conditions to fish. You could possibly fish on the low water, look for some deep holes, try for some rockfish, but that's about it guys. Nothing's going on. I'm not going to actually fish this morning. So that's a quick update. Thanks for watching guys. Take care guys. Cheers.